show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Esther and I am excited to have you guys here. So today I have decided to try and do a vlog because for the next couple of days I'm going to be just a bit busy. So right now, let me just place you guys here. So right now I am actually doing decor. So two of you guys have entrusted me with doing your decor for a baby shower, and there's one that I have coming up this Saturday for a friend. So luckily she won't be able to see this vlog until her shower has happened. So yeah, I am working on her decor. The theme is green and black, so I'm just making some paper flowers and some fans. So Zara is here, that's who I'm talking to. So yeah, the theme is green and black and I'm pretty excited. And then I also have someone else who's hired me for, one of you guys who's hired me for another baby shower for a blue and yellow theme. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing today. I decided that maybe I should start the vlog today, leading up to Saturday, so that you guys can maybe see me working on the decor, then transition to how the decor looks like on the day of the shower. Yeah, so Zaria has insisted that her face has to be featured today. Hi everyone, welcome back. So we are at the baby shower. We're just getting ready for, we're getting the decor ready. So here is Nora, my twin, and Jessie, my sister-in-law. So yeah, we're just getting ready doing the decor. I think I showed you me doing the decor and getting it ready. So now we're just putting it up on the walls. Let me just show you how that looks like. So those are the letters. We're just putting them up. And this is the rest of the decor. This is where the baby shower is going to be, at a rooftop. Hotel 67 in Syokimau. So this is the rest of the decor. And then we're still putting up balloons. So yeah, you guys will just
Without trying, and how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. That we're meant to be. It's a losing game, it's a losing game. But this time it's more than another lot of war. This ain't the same, this ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright in time.
Hey guys, so this is the venue. The decor is almost done. We're just waiting for some black and white balloons. I don't know if you guys can see really well. So the chairs, looking really nice. going to be the gift table. Hi everyone, so this is Jessie.
Hi.
My sister-in-law. I'm trying to convince her to vlog also. Because she's also into DIYs and she has a blog actually. She has a blog. So I'm telling her a hammer from blogging to vlogging so we can have content.
I'll try.
Hi, Amasi.
Look at the DIY Esa did. How cool is this? Congrats, girl.
Thanks.
Breaking, but you make my world so bright. Feels so right. It feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying. There's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying. It's terrifying. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying? Without trying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying. It's terrifying.